Hi, welcome to Legal Travel. Today I will discuss about 4th year BLLB syllabus of Calcutta University, that is 7th semester and 8th semester syllabus. Not only syllabus but also I will discuss about relevant books on each subject. So let's watch the video and give your feedback through comment box. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's enjoy the video. So let's start with 7th semester syllabus, paper 1 jurisprudence. Jurisprudence is a very important topic for BA-LLB as well as LLM. It is a theory paper. Reference books for jurisprudence are Studies in Jurisprudence written by V.D. Mahajan, Studies in Jurisprudence and Legal Theory written by N.V. Paranjape, Introduction of Jurisprudence written by Dr. Avtar Singh and Dr. Harpreet Kaur. Paper 2 Public International Law. Reference books are Introduction to Public International Law written by Shilpa Jain, Introduction of Public International Law written by S.K. Verma, Textbook on Public International Law written by Dr. R.K. Singh. Paper 3 is Banking Law. You can follow Banking Law book written by S.M. Maineni, and another book is Tannan's Banking Law and Practice in India by Vinod Kothari. Paper 4 Law of Evidence. For evidence law, you can follow Bare Acts, criminal manuals, and reference books are Law of Evidence written by Ratan Lal and Dheeraj Lal, Law of Evidence written by Dr. Shakil Ahmed Khan, Principles of the Law of Evidence written by Dr. Avtar Singh. And now, from 7th semester, there have two papers for honor students. Paper 1 Patent Right Creation and Registration of Patent, including Indian Patent Act 1970. For this topic, you can follow any books on intellectual property rights. And honors paper 2 is International Trade Economics. There have several books on international trade economics and trade law. International Trade Law written by Dr. S.R. Maineni, International Trade Law, Interdisciplinary Theory and Practice written by Raj Vala. Let's start with 8th semester syllabus, paper 1, Human Rights Law and Practice. Reference books for these topics are Human Rights Law and Practice written by Jatendra Kumar Das, Textbook on Human Rights Law and Practice written by Rashi Jain. Another book is written by Dr. Bhagyashree A. Deshpande. Paper 2 is Interpretation of Statutes and Principles of Legislation. Reference books written by B.M. Gandhi, D. N. Mathur. Another book is Lectures on Interpretation of Statutes written by Professor Dr. Rega Shriya Rao. Paper 3 is Environmental Law. Reference books written by Gurdeep Singh, and another book is Indian Environmental Law edited by Shivani Ghosh. Paper 4 is Labor and Industrial Laws, Paper 1. For this topic, you can follow Mercantile Law written by Andy Kapoor. On the other hand, Labor and Industrial Laws books written by S.N. Misra, Dr. Avtar Singh and Harpreet Kaur, and another book written by K.M. Pillai. Now the honors paper. There have also two honors papers. Paper 1 Law of Trademarks and Designs. For this topic, you also can follow any books on intellectual property rights. Besides that, there have a book written by S.R. Maineni. Another very good book is written by Edward Lee, Mark McKenna, David L. Schwartz. This book is published by West Academic Publication. And for honor student, another extra paper is on insurance law. Reference books are available by S. M. Maineni, Dr. Avtar Singh, and another book is Lectures on Insurance Law written by Varsha Gupta. So that was 4th year VLLB syllabus of Calcutta University with relevant books. If you enjoy and like the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe my channel for more videos.